Framer button. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open 𝗕𝗂𝘂𝗀𝘀𝗀𝗀 in your browser. Log into your account. If you don't have one, you need to create one first. After successfully logging in and reaching the homepage, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the New Project button. Once your project is ready and the workspace loads, begin by adding your button text title into the project area. Next, look at the right-hand sidebar. Navigate to the Layout section and adjust the padding values as you want. After setting the padding, go to the Borders section, where you can add a border color of your choice and increase the border radius to give the button rounded corners. Once your button looks the way you want, right-click on it and choose the Create Component option. Then, click the plus icon on the new frame that appears and select the hover option. In this second frame, change the text color and also adjust the button's fill to create a distinct hover effect. When everything is set, click the Preview button at the top of the page to test how your button looks.